Hi, let's look at this question together. Preston spent $450 on a fan and 3/4 of the remaining money on the refrigerator. Given that he had 2/9 of the original sum of money left, how much money did he have at first? Okay, if you have such question, it's usually a single bar model. So first, he spent $450, so you just draw a bar for $450 and 3/4 of the remaining on the refrigerator. So the remaining you divide into 4 parts, 3 parts for the refrigerator. So I represent as 3R and 1 part for R. Okay. Given that 2/9 of the original sum of the money left. So 2/9 means the remainder means this is 2 unit. This must be 7 unit because total add up 9 unit. 2/9 of it. From the model straight away you will notice that R is equal to 2U. So 3R must be equal to 6U. Okay, so R 2U, 3R 6U. So total we know that this is 7U, this is 6U. So 7 minus U minus 6U is equal to U. U must be equal to $450. Okay, so if U is equal to $450, initially he has 9U. So 9 times 450 is 4050. So he has $4050 at first. Hope that helps.